What do you want?
I come to say sorry.
Sorry? Over what?
Over everything I did and everything I said. I'm just sorry.
So what happened to your so-called husband? Who made you lose your job?
I'm sorry, doctor. Something happened that I cannot even explain.
So?
Doctor, I did my job now.
Did you see the man at the reception? He repressed you. You don't have a
Please,
job
doctor,
here.
please.
Don't bring your crocodile tears here. Get up. So what happened?
Doctor, I don't need time to explain.
You were once a good girl. I treated you like my own daughter. I gave you everything. But you shouted at me. You abused me.
I'm sorry, doctor. I wasn't in my rightful mind.
And now you're here to say sorry.
Doctor, please understand me. I wasn't in my rightful mind.
Calm down. I've told you. We have patients here. Don't shout at my patients. So, calm down and tell me what went wrong. Hey, are you here to cry or you're here to explain what happened?
Doctor, it's hard to explain. I just don't know how to explain.
Hey, shouting at my patients.
Doctor, there is a patient. So, how are you feeling now?
I'm okay.
You're okay.
Yeah, at least I'm somehow now.
I told you you'll be fine.
Thank you, doctor.
Yeah. Let me check your pressure. So, we're going to discharge you, but you have to take the medication as prescribed. You have a caretaker at home? A caretaker, someone who can help you at home?
No, I don't have anyone. Yeah.
I don't know how you're going to do it, but at least have some drinks. Drink as much as possible. Make sure you take some fruits. Just take natural juice and eat on time. Please take the medication.
But I don't live very far, doctor. Yeah, I hope you can come over and check on me because right now I don't have anyone to take care of me.
So, is there a possibility that you can come for a checkup? How do you see that?
Okay, doctor.
Let me bring you the medication, the tablets that you're going to be taking. Though the dose will take only 5 days and you'll be fine. Okay? Okay. I told you you'll be fine.
Okay.
Oh, I was bringing your medicine. Okay. Huh? You're feeling better? I told you you'll be fine. So? So you're taking this 2 times 3 and this one 2 times 3. So this one you take only 1 tablet a day. This one you take in the morning and the evening. That is after getting a meal. And this one you take it only in the afternoon after lunch. Yes. So make sure you take at least fruits as I told you. Have to get some rest. Don't take the medicine when you've not eaten anything. Make sure you drink a lot. Okay? Oh, sorry.
So, but in planning to week game, so I get a myself. I come for a congo. Yeah, so which advance number. Money already with the Mutabukira, go money to Bulaga. So just in case you go to himself. So what
Okay, so ogenda kumuleta obeere naye obeera. Anyway, don't worry, let me give you my number. In case of anything, just call me. So that is my number. Call me in case of anything, don't worry. Yes. Okay. Okay, you'll be fine. And your mom will be fine also. Likewise.
Yes, hello. Yeah, this is Jakana. I'm fine, Doc. How are you? Yeah, I've called you to inform you that the patient I told you about is going to come tomorrow. So, yeah, I hope you can come tomorrow and check on her. Don't worry, don't worry. Yeah, by around 3. Okay. When you reach Gangu stage, you just call me, I will pick you up. Yeah, I can also do that. Yeah, I can email you the location, then you will come. Okay. We shall be waiting for you. Okay, bye-bye. Coming. Hey, Doc. How are you? It's coming. Yeah. So this is my home. This is where I stay. This is where I live.
The room is nice.
Oh, okay. Thank you. So how are you? How was your day? I'm also okay. Should I get you something to drink?
No, I'm fine. I'm just fine.
Oh.
Sorry, I'm on time.
Okay.
So where is the patient? The patient.
I know. Oh, the patient. Okay.
Is it okay going outside?
Not really. Doctor, I know you don't always have much time, and so that's why I don't want to bother you or disturb you in any way.
Okay.
So I'll be straight to the point, and I'll be very brief so that I do not take much of your time. Yeah, Doctor, I called you because I wanted to discuss something very important with you.
What is that?
I don't know how you are going to take it anyway. But let me talk out my heart. And Doctor, the truth is that ever since I set my eyes on you, that I came to the hospital, my life did not remain the same. I know, Doctor, it may sound insane. I know I'm wasting your time. I know what you are going to say. I know this. It may be not the right time. I know everything, please. But please, Doctor, and this is the truth I'm talking. I love you. Because ever since I set my eyes on you, I had sleepless.
Wait. So you called me here to tell me such stories?
Please, Doctor, please.
Just put it in that.
I will get you. Doctor. Yes, hello, Doc. Yeah, I'm fine. But I want you to come visit me. Yeah, come home. Yeah, exactly. I not much, but I have a problem. Yeah, there is this girl I love. I really love her. But she's avoiding me. She can't even give me time to listen to me. Are you serious? Okay, you come with everything. I'm waiting for you. Oh, yeah. Doctor. You are mine. Come in. Oh, Jaja. Manji. Badanga sanso kulaba. Je muli? Je tuligala. Mimi sibadde kukinja. Yo wangu gambi. Bintu abisize mbwangu. Yes. Jajja mutyanne eyo. Tuli mpola. Njebale mirimu. Kale tukola mpola. Emirimu jajja. Wazimu amwetulingo jeko ensonga zenkubudde ezinsumbuwasumbuwamu apaani birala biri molaya bitambula bulungi se
naye okusinga badde ayagala kubanga zonna nadde nzitegere naye okusinga oyagala nzikole ntya
anti kati olaba jjajja nga wenabadde nze kunyumya sina ekirala kyamaanyi kyenkola kyenjagala njagala mukyala kubanga ekyamazima mwagala tubeerewo mutuzaale n'abaana kubanga amazima bugali nti mwagala ayambisaamu amaaso
ye omukyala omwagala
nnyo ate nalowooze nnyo naye ambisaamu amaaso nawe mugambe takiwulira
wenzize wano ajja kuddamu kukozesaamu amaaso weeyo akantu kano ajjo amala gonna Zuku. Andi kano kalaba. Nzukulaba kalinga kati. Nenge kandimu ebintu byonna ebigenda okuyamba okukolera ku bintu sawa. naye tulina nga nze naawe fe tulina okukalabako.
Kitegeezere kalina kulabika.
Era mbadde nkusaba okasimukire agala muddamu kukalabako saagala kasobya
Ndeke naye mbadde manyi mulina kunfunirayo akantu obange okuteeka ebyokulya ng'ebyo mutwalire. Naye akati nkatege mu piro ne piro gye.
munnange oluusi ekintu ky'onyooma ati ekiro ekituufu oyinza okulaba n'okanyooma awo okalaba nga kati naye kalimu ebintu bingi. Kale kati obuma bwaffe kadde kafaako
Kale kanteeke ku simu yo.
nda kugyoteekako
Esebo.
I'm asking for a leave of 2 days.
What? Leave? A leave of 2 days? But you've just come back from the village. Just 2 days back. And now you're leaving?
This is urgent. I just need to see my husband.
Anyway, I'm not allowing you. You're going nowhere.
For your information. Actually, I didn't come to ask for your permission. I've come to inform you that I am leaving.
Nyabo! You have 2 options. You either stay or you leave for that so-called husband of yours or whatever you call him. For good.
2 options in my face. The option of staying there and the option of going and doing it.
Excuse me!
What's going on? Oh my God. come to live. I'm not living anymore.
Okay.
Am I welcome here?
Yeah.
I'm going to love you with all my heart, with everything I have. I'm just going to love you. I'm going to love you, I swear. Baby, can I stay here with you, please?
Yeah, it's okay. So, baby. So, honey. I'm very excited to see you. I'll cross my heart. Okay, let me get you something to drink at least, eh? Huh?
Guess what? I'm done cooking.
Yeah.
So, again, change. Okay. No, I'm the one feeding you. You're arguing about it? Okay, just have it. How is it? It's good, eh?
It's fantastic.
Really? Okay, so you're gonna have it whenever you want it. Just say, and I cook for you. Okay?
Okay, stop. I think it's my turn now.
Your turn for what? Oh, okay. It tastes good. I thought you were lying to me. Okay. What was that? Okay. So, how are we going to live here? Like,
I think let us first eat. Then I have to work. I'm going to miss you too. That you have to stay. Darling, you don't need to be worried. I'm just going to work, but I'm coming back. So if anything happens, don't hesitate, just call Hmm?
It has already happened.
It has already happened? Oh,
You're leaving.
but I'm coming back.
No, I don't want to wait for so long.
No, darling, you're not going to wait. Hmm? Thank you.
It's as if you're forgetting something.
No, I'm not forgetting anything.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I have my phones, I have...
You're not forgetting anything. So you don't remember anything.
Like what?
Aren't you remembering anything you promised me today? Sort of out.
Oh, and I'm very sorry. You know, I have a lot on my head these days, but I can't forget that. I promise I'm coming back.
So I prepare myself.
By exactly 3, I'll be here.
That's very nice.
So, you don't need to worry about anything. What?
I'm going to be missing you so much.
I'm going to miss you more, but you have to stay strong, huh? I'm gonna miss you too.
Love you.
I love you. More and more. So, let me take my leave now.
Yes, hello.
Bashemera,
Come on, what is the reason of quarreling like
you
that?
told me that you're going to spend there only 2 days. But now it's coming to a week.
Oh, come on. You told me to choose either on that job or I choose my husband. So I already chose my husband.
Why don't you come back to your job?
I'm not coming back to work. I'm fully in love with my husband. I'm even at home.
But you need to work.
Then you wouldn't have put some conditions, okay?
You're still a young girl. You need to work. You can't choose. that man over your job.
I told you I'm in love with my husband and I'm not changing my decision.
Your parents put a lot of money to educate you.
Oh, really? You're not the one who paid my school fees, though. Are you?
Please come back and work.
I don't care.
Okay?
I'm not coming back, okay?
Okay, no problem.
Well, I'm gonna get back and wait.
the problem?
It's something. It's something I'm trying to.
Okay, it's okay. Yeah, it's okay.
What is this place? What am I doing here?
This is your home, Mom, your husband.
I don't belong here. I don't belong here.
Honey, please.
I don't belong here.
Honey, please, listen to me. What? Honey, please, what are you doing?
Come on, I don't know you. Who are you?
Honey, please. It's me, Jacka. It's me, your husband. It's me.
I don't have a husband. I never got married. I don't know you. Oh, this counts. What? You're from where? Come on, I don't know you. From where? I don't know you.
Honey, I can explain.
Explain what? Come on, I don't know you. I don't even know how I came in this place.
Listen, I can explain. I can explain. I can explain. Honey, don't go. I said don't go. Said you are not right. You left with you. Step out of this house. I swear I'll kill you. Idiot. Listen.
I didn't know anything about this. Give me a plaster and put on. There's a bandage. Also a bandage. Bandage. This happening to me? I'm lost. Where am I? I swear I've never loved this man. Should I run? But if I run, I'll be the first suspect. Bashimira, stand strong. Play your cards well. Just be a superwoman. Because I know with God, everything is possible.
Madam. Are you okay? Hatimaye ndio zip.
Thank you. It's good you've recovered. But people like you deserve death. But can you explain how I ended up here? I mean, I'm just wondering, what did you do to me? Did you believe me? You're so satanic. I don't love you. But I wouldn't wish death for you either. Just look at you. Don't touch me. Forever, you won't even see me again. What is wrong with you? Who did this to you? Ayakoze bwati?
I got an
You're so
accident.
heartless.
I got an accident.
Who is she?
She's my wife.
What? You have a wife? Then why are you tied up on ropes and you have a bandage on your head? What is going on here?
I got an accident. Yeah. I was knocked down by the motorcycle yesterday.
So what are you doing at home? What is he doing at home? As he said, yeah, he had an accident.
I had an accident. I was knocked down by the motorcycle yesterday.
And why are you here, tied on ropes? I expect you to be at the hospital right now. And besides, you had an accident and we didn't know. Why is he tied on ropes? Why is he slept me?
As he told you, he hit his head.
Then why is he tied?
I damaged my brain. So I was somehow mentally disturbed.
So that's why I tied him.
So how did you know he's mentally disturbed?
Because when he hit his head, he got the damage to his brain, so...
So you decided to tie him on ropes, right?
He was going to...
Are you a doctor?
Yes,
I'm a doctor, I can observe such situations.
So you ended up with the conclusion he's insane. Did you take him to the hospital for any examination?
I examined him.
Then why did you tie him on ropes? As far as I know, no medical personnel can tie his or her patient on ropes. I expect you to be at the hospital right now. I expect you to take him at the hospital since he had an accident, not at home.
In fact, sister nzenaga kudinga mudwali.
Why?
Nabadde sina bulungi sente ate nga mukyala wange dokita asobola okunjanja.
Did you contact us?
I was about to contact you, but I did not want to disturb you. You were
You
passing
are not
through
serious. And what are those luggage doing here?
Oh, actually I was going to wash. Should I get you anything?
No, thanks. What is going on?
Let me go first. When you come in, just make the recovery. But let me first. You'll be fine, honey.
Jaka, for God's sake, what is happening?
Sister, yeah, I got an accident. I was knocked down by the motorcycle
The
yesterday.
crap now.
I
No
didn't-
one would get an accident and is not taken to the hospital. I mean, even the people who would have seen you on the roadside would take you to the hospital.
By the way, sister, can you go out and check her if she's still alive?
Why should I check? Let me go. Please sit. Let me go and check on her.
She's not. Where are you going? Olagawa. Where are you going? She's going on here.
Sister, it all started the day I met that girl at the hospital.
The patient. So,
Maybe he did something wrong.
what did he do?
It's hard to
Tell me. I'm here now. Bewitched you? Patient bewitching you?
It's hard to explain, but I'm trying to believe.
Oh my God. What's going on here? Are you okay?
I'm sorry. I'm just sorry for everything that happened. I'm just sorry, doctor.
So,
I didn't want to jump back, please, doctor.
but girl, what about you? A patient bewitching you? Anyway, you have promised me one thing, that you will never take this job for granted again.
I promise, doctor, I can't do that.
You will never do any other mistake.
I said, doctor, it won't happen again.
Okay. You can have your job. Excuse me.
Thank you, doctor. Let me go to the info.